Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing. Today I am opening BTS Jin's Happy CD. This is the Target exclusive, as I always get, and it typically includes one extra photo card. So there were actually 3 of these when I went to the store. There was a red one, a green one, and the blue one. But this particular Target only had this red color, so I chose it. It's a bright and exciting color. So this is the first CD that's been released since 2022, the Astronaut. So I was quite excited to get it. And again, it's in this large magazine style, which seems to be very popular right now. So let's go ahead and open this and see what the contents are. So love the feel of this book. It's that kind of a textured feel. And here's the CD. Nice red color. And the books always seem to have a disconnect here. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. I'm okay with that. Let's go ahead and take a quick flip through. Looks like a really nice photo album, magazine. And I haven't had much chance to listen to the music, so this is all new for me. Love the magazine quality on here. With a theme of being happy and happiness. Love the humorous images and the different colors. Looks like it matches the other albums available. And let's see what goodies I got in here. There's a little envelope, and you can see there's a little happy sticker. Okay, let's see if I can open this without tearing it up. Okay. It says happy there in a nice vellum envelope. And inside we have a little bit of confetti, red confetti. Little flowers, fun. And it's actually tissue paper. Let's set that aside. Let's see what photo cards I got. Not sure which one's the Target exclusive. But there's the first one. That one. And I'll take a look at the back. I'm assuming the yellow one is the extra Target one, which would be this one. So very nice. More confetti. So fun, like a little party, an envelope. This must be, oh, looks like stickers. A little, is this a notebook? Or sticker book. It's just regular pages, but there's different lines. Fun. And here's the track list. Running Wild, I'll Be There, Another Level, and 3 more. Let's take a look at this. So the lyrics, and the back has some photos, and again, well, it looks like it's a little bit of a shamrock theme. Here is the photo postcard. Oh, this looks like a scratch off. I'm not sure if I have anything to scratch that off. Let me set that to the side. And this is probably the poster. Very nice. And let's continue through the photo book. I like how it lays flat. Really like kind of the muted colors, the different filters. And I'm not sure if I should go back and try to scratch that sheet off. I don't know if I have a coin. I'm not sure if my nail's gonna work. I can try it. And it it, the credits. And oh, I didn't realize these are cutouts here. That's cute. Well, it's the same theme, but actually these are not the same as the confetti, just in case you're wondering. So great. Okay, we're back to this. Oh, it does. Okay, great. It works pretty well with the nail. Okay, let's go ahead and scratch it off. It says, may your day be filled with happiness and every moment bring joy. Sorry, there's a little bit of shaking on the camera. Oh, fun. Love that. And I didn't scratch this up, which is great. So thanks for attending my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed seeing what is in the Target exclusive for Jin's Happy album. And I hope you'll be able to find one close to you and maybe even the Target exclusive. So good luck with that, and thank you for watching.